Yo, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. It's out, it's out. You can go and play it. I pinned I pinned the link on YouTube chat and Twitch chat, and then it's also in the YouTube description. So be good to go. Be able to play. As far as I can tell, no major bugs. No bugs really at all. EVH. So pretty excited about that. So they're uh, let me play music. Sure. When was your game supposed to come out? Um, where is that? One sec. There. It just I'm just curious when your game's coming out, bro. 17th? You gonna delay it again? Nah, I'm just joking. Uh, no, this is I kind of didn't hype up the release at all. I never really do that. I just kind of drop it when it's ready. And like right now, the game is ready, but it also like there's a ton that I can add still. So, what's your PC RAM? I have 64 gigs. What's up, Dev Rammy? You can't say a factually true statement then say, nah, just joking. Frickin'. Are you gonna change the thumbnail? Yes. So that's kind of what we're gonna be doing today on stream. I'm gonna kind of walk through what to do on like release day, in terms of advertisements, and sponsorships and that kind of stuff. That's kind of what I wanted to make sure I'm streaming, because there's kind of a lot that goes into that I feel like I get questions about a lot. So we're gonna be doing a lot of that kind of stuff. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is actually create a 30-second video. So for those that are unaware, Roblox added a new thing. Roblox added a new thing. How 100 players? I just pinged my Discord server. Roblox added a new thing where you can hover over thumbnails and it'll autoplay like gameplay basically. And in my experience being in Crashbots, this made a massive difference in the details page conversion rate. So if we just take a look at, let's go to like, I guess these two games are similarly bad CCU. So let's just view these two games. My Brain Rot Defense versus Crashbots. And let's look at, yeah, dude, look how trash these stats are. Let's look at acquisition. Where are you? What? Am I blind? Analytics. Why is that? Okay, whatever. Average lead viewer stats. Okay. If you go to acquisitions, acquisition, users with detail page CTR or user detail page CTR, we're looking at 76% on crash pods. Display the video for mobile too. Yes, it does. 76%. From what I can tell, the only ones that autoplay on the front page are these standout today's picks games. Because when I hover over like down here, none of these autoplay. But when you click on them in mobile, it does autoplay like initially. So looking at 76% user detail page CTR, and then similarly we go to, yeah, this is why you don't make a brain rot game, by the way. These two stats are actually kind of insane. Merge rate's not bad, but the average rate terrible. So if I look at acquisitions on my brain rot defense, and we go to acquisition, user detail page, CTR, 67. That's a 10% difference. Sponsored ad zeros. I'm not running ads on either of these games. So huge difference there. Let's actually. I was expecting this to be closer to like even 50%. Not gonna lie. So let me actually look at what tower defense RNG is and kind of compare there, because that'd be a lot more comparable to this new game. Tower defense RNG. Rip QPTR on this game. Acquisitions. Acquisition. User page. PTR. 58%. We can see a huge difference there. 20% difference. Of just having a little clip. Also, I want to post on Twitter. Your latest game called again? The one that I just put out is Slime RNG. Although I'm not set on this name. But I kind of haven't been able to think or like this game will get it into the RNG audience. It'll get them to click on it. But I don't know if it'll get like the like I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Like a different audience. Like I don't really think in my like I guess tower defense is very male oriented also. Just based on my demographics. If I look here. I think slimes are a lot more universal. Battle slimes. I kind of want it to be like very neutral though. And not like battle or whatever. But I don't know. I can experiment with it. Okay. So let's start by making a game's fun. Hey, good to hear. Let me just I'm gonna be checking Discord periodically because I have streamer mode on and I don't get pings, so you say. How long have you been working on Slime RNG? It's been, I started at beginning of March, so it's been just over a month. cool. Leaf, you look like Dr. Donut, not gonna lie. I could see it. Alright, so let's... You look like Kaisa. Hey, thanks. Let's start making the video. Like I said, we can actually get started on that. There's gonna be some parts, because I'm using OBS to stream. I'm also using OBS to record. So, I'm probably gonna have to hide my face cam for a bit, and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Unless, is there a way to, like, multi-record or whatever? Bro. Dirt. This you? This you? Oh, I'm doing good, Panda. Shut up, buddy. Oh, God. Alright, so I'm thinking what we do is we say use mock true, and then we say data.tutorial.completed true. Then when I join, I should basically be at the beginning. Yeah, I'm glad you like it, Brendan. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is kind of just like record some like B-roll. Which I think would be the best way to do this. Oh, I also need to turn off. Hey, thanks, sir. Appreciate it. How's the game going? Good. I mean, just made it public like 50 minutes ago. It lags when you equip stuff. Actually? So I'm gonna have to hide chat. And then hide myself. Nice game thumbnail. It's alright. I'm gonna make a couple more on stream today. But we gotta make this short little video first. Yes, all the slimes are made in Blender. Yep, I made all the thumbnails and everything. This game is 100% completely solo. UI, all that. Okay, I need to mute music. I need to, desktop audio, mute stream music. The best way to do this is to device emulator. This is a pro tip for everyone out there. Go to HD 180, actual resolution, and then OBS. You do game capture. And then you set the game capture to not game capture. Oh, maybe it is game chat capture. Yeah, there we go. And then it's like a pixel perfect. It looks a lot better. Oh, mine's a little big. Okay. Turn off music. Hide myself. And I'm kind of just gonna be like capturing like B-roll. If that makes sense. I suppose I should do a test first to see if it actually like records. It should. Yes, it does. Okay, cool. Then I can go here and low key. I don't even need to do that. Like I would rather not use the device emulator and then just do a screen capture. Because I kind of want the UI to be like condensed. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm just gonna start recording, and then I'll basically just do like literally just kind of play through a bit, and then unlock, roll, rare rolls, see slimes fighting, that kind of stuff. Bosses, whatever. Okay. That's all I need. Left side blue bar. I'll zoom in the editing a bit. God, that copy paste is so stupid. Okay. I think roll 21 or 23 is what it matters. That's when reminds you of Pets Go. Good. It should. It's so quiet. I'm sorry. It'll get better in a bit. Bro, derp. I'm actually muting you. For 1 minute. Oh god. Something like that. That should be good. Okay, and then I want to do like the unlock sequence. Something like that. Do a little bit of gaming here. Oh, here's a code for those that don't know. Release with an exclamation mark. Wait, that would actually kind of be a cool shot. If like I just kind of keep this horizontal the whole way, but I have all the zones unlocked, and then like I cut between them really quickly. So it's like your slimes and you like going through like all the zones. I don't know if anyone kind of knows what I'm talking about. You just have to like imagine, I guess. Okay, I need to wait for I think roll 21. Why don't you just make a game that is not a cash grab? Dude, this is not a cash grab. This can make a lot of money, but it doesn't mean it's a cash grab. I'm gonna turn off hit sounds. Okay, I'm at roll 19. I think roll 21 or 23 is when I will get the drop. Yeah, exactly, Wrath. I'll probably do something like that. 2 minutes into the game and I hit Orca. You're about to see me do the same thing. Is it already at 150? That's crazy. I'm not even running ads yet. I think it's either this roll or the next one, so everyone lock in here. Okay, cool. That's good. Yeah, for everyone who thought that they're lucky for getting that Orca, I have some news for you. I think I did see that, Blue Shell, yeah. With the level or whatever. I think I did know that, I just completely forgot about it. Yeah, no ads yet. I'm recording a video right now. And then I'll chop this up into 30 seconds of gameplay and I'll post it on the I'm gonna run ads after I have this video created so that the click-through rate is higher basically. Okay, I'll do a jackpot like bonus spin here. Everyone be quiet. That's good, Snap. Oh god. Why CTR will be higher? The 30-second like gameplay clips in my experience have raised CTR pretty significantly on the details page. Is Lucky Slime good? Yeah, Lucky is good. Let's just like buy a bunch. Oh, Ani. Let me just give myself a bunch of luck here. The server I was in right away after release, we had it like up to 8x. I don't know. I left when I had like 10 minutes left, but I don't know if anyone went above that. Yeah, everyone was getting the rare rolls. Is starter pack worth it? It's up to you. Do you have any dev longsword codes? Yeah, I have a couple. I think I have like 3 or 4 left. Whoops. What do you think of 150 CCU? I mean, I pinged my Discord server, and then I started this live stream, so just from that. That's probably there. That's probably good for this zone. I don't know if I should like maybe do like a clip of all the upgrades. Do you want a clip of me like unlocking at each zone? Why is the leaderboard from small to large? Oh, is it? That's annoying. The server leaderboard. Well, the issue with the leader stats leaderboard is that they make it super annoying to sort. Shut up. Derp is actually AI. Yeah. Congrats, Costa. I have a whole video on how I save data. Any code set? Yeah, there's one. It's release exclamation mark. It's the highest luck stack you can get in a roll. It can there's no limit. I see slimes that spawn, but no people. Is that supposed to happen? Nope. The enemies are client side. You upgrade your number of enemies. Just play the game a little bit longer. You're good, Byron. Okay, is there any other clips I need? I could do like picking up loot, which I actually think I should do. I could do bosses as well. It's only spawn when I buy them in the upgrades. They do spawn more, it's just rare. I went a little conservative in how much the loot spawnings happen, or how often they happen, because it was a big issue in Tournaments RNG. I don't know how this clip will look, but it might be cool. And then I think we're gonna be all set. And then, does anyone have any software recommendations for editing videos? Because I was using Adobe, but I canceled it. DaVinci, is it free? Bruh. Movie Maker, bruh. DaVinci Resolve. Okay. Yeah, I was using. Okay, we have all the whatever we need, so I can come back. I know you guys really missed my face. Stop recording. And teaser cam. I'm back. Yeah, rip. I should have done that yesterday. Because I got good old Photoshop, which we'll need in a bit, but oh, chat, my bad. How many ad credits? I haven't written any yet. Okay, okay, okay. Did someone roll something that is not in the index? I'm sure it is. So DaVinci resolve. Like, I just need, like, basic, like, cutting. Okay, first off, let me see if this is free. You guys, like, if you have a question, like, literally right now, I have a question, like, is DaVinci Resolve free? Okay. Would you guys search that in Google, or would you search it in, like, ChatGPT? You hitting up Grok? Like, what are you doing? Google, Gem, DeepSeek, Google, obviously. Google has the AI overview, so just Google. Okay. Because I find myself more and more, I almost exclusively ask questions just to ChatGPT now. If you just want basic cutting, CapCut is probably better. Okay. Adobe Premiere Pro. That's what I have been using, but I canceled my Adobe subscription. And I haven't been on a boat in a long time. I actually went on a cruise recently. But you know what I mean. Oh, what's up, Kev? I didn't see your message. I don't know if you're still here or not. Yeah, you can roll forever. Your server look is 128x right now? Wait, what? Is that crazy expensive to get that high? Jesus. Okay, I'm downloading CapCut right now. It started with our professional AI-powered video editor. Dude, why is everything AI these days? It's so annoying. Like, you know, you can't get a Windows computer or Windows laptop anymore. Everything is a Windows, like, AI laptop. Like, they have a dedicated AI button on every new laptop. How trash is that? It goes to their crappy Copilot. Just buy a MacBook, TBH. Well, my fiance is looking at a She wants a new laptop for school, for her PhD. The issue is that a lot of the software she uses, because it's aerospace engineering, like, isn't compatible with MacBooks. So it's just like, it wouldn't really work. Maybe Lenovo. We were doing a lot of like researching. She really wants it to like look and feel like a MacBook, but it just needs to be Windows. And there's like basically two options. There's the Dell XPS, but the keyboard on it's trash. And then I think the one that I'm probably gonna do is the ZenBook 14S, S14 or something like that. There was another one that was all right. It was similar name to ZenBook, but I can't remember what it was. I think the issue with Lenovo is she doesn't like the way it looks. Surface has the same issue that MacBooks do, where it's ARM-based processors, I believe. The MacBook and install Parallels. The issue is that the Parallels don't have GPU drivers, right? And a lot of the stuff she does is like, or not a lot of the stuff, but some of the stuff she does is like 3D simulations. How do you get Goop? You get it, you need to unlock the upgrade first. Yeah, maybe, Brandon. Okay. So drag material here to start creating. Prismatic spins don't show up on the index? What do you mean? What happened if slimes die? They just respawn. They just get knocked out for like a couple seconds. Okay. How do I... What's like the snipping in this? Where's like the cut tool? It's C on... Dude, this looks very similar to my Premiere Pro that I was using. Is it this? How do I cut? This. Control B? Ew. Can I not just like make my cursor the cut tool? Oh, just B. Why is it B? Cut makes so much more sense. That's stupid. Yeah, I know, Blue Shell. I intentionally am not doing any, what's it called? Raycasting, because I want the game to be extremely performant. So I just kind of have to deal with it, and then whatever. I could theoretically do like regions, so like if they're within a region, then just set their height to this instead of the basic. Four raycasts per frame. It'd be way more than 4 though, because you have to do all of like everyone's slimes and the enemies. 4 raycasts is, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I don't know. You're just rage baiting me. Raycasting is extremely efficient. I don't know, dude. Okay, so let's just get like what do you use for the slimes then? It's literally they're just locked to a Y height. Yeah, there's obviously like if optimizations I could do, like for sure with raycasting. There's a lot of little things like that. Yes. This is a completely solo project. Casting requires barely a lift of the fingers, like no need. I don't know. Okay, so start of the video, I think we just need a very basic, like, roll. Like, something like that. All my keylines are different. I'm gonna have to relearn everything. Start of the video, we should already be rolling. I'll do that. Don't know any. We'll just delete this. Can I add a new track? How do I add tracks? What? Dude, actually, how do you add tracks? Dude, yeah, Souls RNG has been doing good lately. They've been doing very good. Does anyone use this software? And if so, how do you add a track? Wait. Oh. What? What is going on? Why does it just like go to the beginning? This is really weird to me. Why can't I put this here? Yeah, I've seen that, Zol. Magnet mode. Okay, there we go. Dude, software is so weird. How much you put into sponsors? 0 so far. Okay, all that to delete this track. Cool. Clip champ? I don't know what that is. Okay. Then we'll that. What is just select? Select is A. Dude, why would you do? We basically need to turn everything. Hey, thanks, Vision. Appreciate it, dude. I think this game's got a lot of potential. There's a lot that can be added. We basically need to turn 20 minutes into 30 seconds. Appreciate how smoothly the game runs. Thank you. It's been a long time polishing. You run it automatically. Yeah, sorry, there's no docs for it. The gen feature tree, if you control shift P tasks, you would search tasks, run task. There should be a watch feature tree here. And then that will automatically on save run that. You need to make sure you have all of like the tools set up, the whatever from the gen roho tree, and then just replace gen roho tree with gen feature tree, essentially. Not yet, Actress. There is an infinite magnet for the there's an infinite magnet in the game passes, but I'll probably do something that I did with Tower Defense RNG, which is have like a very close by magnet instead. Or not instead, but like a free, you know, upgrade. Isn't global chat against Roblox TOS? What do you mean? It just is global. Oh, I know what you're talking about. In the global tab, you're not supposed to be able to chat, but you can, but it doesn't actually send it to every server. Those are just supposed to be for global drops or whatever. Like rare drops. I just forgot to disable the chatting in the global tab. But it's not like it's actually sending it to global. One sec. You guys are so dumb. Did you make your own thumbnail? Yeah. Okay, we need to cut this there. Probably need to speed it up too. Which I don't know how to do. What? There's no watch task for gen feature tree. There should be. The gen feature tree file that I have uploaded assumes that you already did the setup for gen roho tree. and that you just replace the file. But I know it is confusing and there should be docs, but there isn't, and I'm sorry for that. Vide. Oh, over here. Oh, I see what they did. They shoved all of their AI features into their Premium Pro. That's funny. Are you a Rojo contributor? Why do they all ask you this? No, I'm not a contributor for Rojo. I just made a useful tool that a lot of people seem to use that should have been in Rojo to begin with. The fact that you couldn't customize your Explorer page or whatever is pretty stupid. That matters. Yes, Destroyer. Literally every single thing. You got a 1 in 1 mil? Nice, Irene. Doing good, Mattez. Just released this game. Okay, the thing about these clips is they need to be super fast paced. We need to cut constantly. No clip longer than like 2 seconds, basically. So I do want to keep this. Well, actually. Do that. You got a shiny glow, nice. Yeah, there should be an auto rejoin. Thanks, Blue Shell, appreciate it. Okay, interesting, Ian King. I actually think someone sent a screenshot of that. The best all around choices. Okay, that's interesting. I did change something with the inventory, so I probably screwed something up. Yeah, and I don't want to put like 2 rolls in a row because that would be boring. So I think what we need to do is then like show off the slimes like doing stuff. Don't really know how. Oh. No, stop, don't. Just actually transcribe the entire video. Maybe like that right there. That could be good, actually. Get boosted at 64x? Dang, that's crazy. Yeah, they are supposed to go flying. It's to encourage active, or to reward active play. How's this release going? Good, I think. It's been like an hour or so. I haven't ran any ads yet, but can I read Twitch chat? What did I miss? Sorry, Crypt, if that was you on YouTube. Yeah, definitely spend all your gold before rebirthing. I think that's kind of the strat. I think this clip should be zoomed in quite a bit. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. How do I, track it? What? How do I animate? Like if I want to make this screen move, how do I do that? When are you planning on running ads? As soon as this video is over. Yes, editing a trailer. Yeah, that clip is trash. I gotta get something better than that. There's gotta be a point in here that I had like in... I guess what if we just take like me chilling with slimes right here and kind of speed it up and just like really quick. Like this kind of whatever. I just want to like show that like, hey, there's slimes in the game. It's not just UI. Move these over here. This up. Plot. Scale it in. Here. Okay, that needs to be even like half that speed. Half that time, I mean. Like, how do I, oh, I clicked the animation. Duh. Let me go here, animate, or click the keyframe to create variable speed animation. Where is my animation? Okay. There, and then it should zoom in. Okay. And then we're gonna cut that off. That's still too long. Yeah, I mean, I will run ads. I just really want to get this video because I think that essentially every impression, imagine every impression is worth 25% more. That's how I value this ad, basically. Or this video. In theory, at least. How long is this? What are we at? That's 2 seconds. Okay, that's 1 second. I think that's good. 27 to go. How much Robux do you do? I do like... I'll probably do like 50 ad credits a day or something like that. I don't know, to be completely honest. This is trash. Let's get like upgrades. So right here. Oh, that was kind of a lame upgrade sequence. Not V. A. Keybinds are all different compared to Premiere Pro, but this is actually completely fine. You check how many people spent on Cerberus? The game's been out for an hour and a half. I don't know if it'll even be updated. Usually takes like an hour to get the most recent data, but I can check. It says 30K. Oh no, it says 41K. See, it's not updated at all. The analytics, when I go to overview, don't show the current hour. What the heck? Don't show the current hour up to date because the hour hasn't finished. Top product is 64x. That's crazy. I didn't actually expect people to get up that high. But I guess it makes sense because it's like a social, like, oh, they made it to go to 8x. I should make it go to 16x kind of thing. Kind of OP. That was not cookies. Nice, guys. Okay, here we need to really chop this up. It'll look clean once it's chopped up, though. There. No, I haven't fixed that but I'm aware of it. Okay, that's good. Sometimes they'll drop items. They do, it's just rare. Oh, we need to zoom in on all of these. Okay. That's perfect. Don't need this clip. I think we should just like unlock the next zone now. Thanks, Sean. Appreciate it. I think it will do well. I got like 3 in a row bonus, and it gives nothing. Oh, that is weird. That's interesting. Is it because you had a lot of, like, did you have a lot of luck, or like? Had no luck. Did you use like the rare roll product, or did it just like randomly, what's it called? Was that your first ever bonus? I don't think the calculations are off. I think there's something with the bonus. Jackpot or whatever. problem. Interesting. No, Rebirth does not reset Goop. Rebirth only resets coins in zone. Give us release code. It's released with an exclamation mark. No, it's a solo project. When did it release? Like an hour and a half ago. Mixed objects. Does double game pass count as one roll? Leaderboards. I don't know. Roll restore. No, it doubles each time. Clickbait? Nope. Game is released. First I got it at the start, then the other one at the 5th zone. Are they like preset? Because I swear I got the same guy choice. No. The very first one is preset. Oh, what just happened? Let me try. Crip, did you ever get a leafy from your very first one? Or not a leafy, a lucky, I mean. You did get that one, but it was the other ones that you didn't get, basically. So weird. Do you have any game passes? Nah, but multiple people have reported it. I guess 2 people. Like, someone sent me this DM, which doesn't make any sense. It doesn't look from server. I wonder if it's like if the server has an absurd amount of luck and then you hit bonus. Something weird happens, maybe. Should I try that? I'll try it. I haven't spent any ad credits yet. Don't. Dang it. Oh, saved. Let's just see if I can reproduce. Kinda, Schema. The actual client shown slime positions are not accurate at all because they don't need to be. The server only replicates what the slimes are doing, not where they are. The only time they replicate where they are is when an enemy spawns. Suppose I should turn off double roll for this. This is gonna get weird. That passes true or it falls. Yes, you keep your slimes in your rebirth. Tremendous. Yeah, I didn't ping on Discord. Oops. Yeah, it's because you own. I knew that happens, Tremendous, but I didn't care to fix it. Because if you already like bought passes, you can figure it out. You know what I mean? There's one code. It's release with an exclamation mark at the end. It's supposed to like a turn off. I just get it first time. Oh yeah, look. It's all crappy slimes. That is weird. So it's when you have a ton of server luck? That doesn't make any sense. Look, hitting the integer limit? 2K is not the integer limit. Is it when there's any server luck? Or like a ton of server luck? I'm gonna have to test this a little bit more. Okay, well, it's easy to reproduce. Okay, let me try if I just go in here. And roll normally. Okay, it's good. Good stuff here. And then let me buy server luck. And see what happens. It's still good. There's high luck in general, maybe? Yeah, Tremendous, your 1 in 3 bill was insane. That's gonna be hard, because you got a huge shiny, right? There's like plus group network, it should. Still fine. Is it like only if your luck is like a Yeah, someone else said that, Blue Shell. Get that down. I like changed something right before with the inventory, and it must have had a bug with it that I didn't realize. I see a goopy and a sunset. How is that possible? You got up to 128? That's crazy. I haven't done any ads yet, Tremendous. I've never gotten a 128. I've gotten a 64. Yeah, this is all from Discord/YouTube. Because I wanted to make the video before I start sponsoring, and then also I wanted to make sure there's no like major bugs, which there haven't been any major ones. This is the worst bug that I've had so far, actually. That when you have a ton of luck, jackpots duck, but it might just only be server luck for some reason. Estimated revenue for the first month. Dude, it's been 2 hours. I have no clue. Let me just see if AI can figure this out. There is... I feel like it can. It's super reproducible, so I feel like it should be able to. There's a bug when player has... or when the server has a lot of server luck. Ladder. They hit jackpot. The jackpot spin has very climb. Figure out why this is happening. What's amount of CCU you'd be happy with and consider it not a flop? Dude, CCU is so tough. Because like the crappiest games get the most CCU, but like CCU isn't what actually makes money. Yeah, there are leaderboards at spawn. In the first zone. If you have teleporter unlocked, you can just teleport to it. Nice, they real. Teleporter being 1 million is rough. I don't think it's that rough though, because like there's no point in getting the teleporter before that, unless you like really want to go see the leaderboards, I guess. Where's the teleporter? It's in the upgrades, in the loot tab. Oh, it looks like it found out. No, no cell feature. I'm gonna add like combinations and stuff like that. Okay. So now, when I get lots of luck, what site is this? You're on youtube.com right now. Thanks, Mr. Robux God. It's VS Code, not Studio, but there's still a goopy there, and I got a goopy. Okay, so it's not fixed. They don't have goops. You get goop from, you need to unlock it in upgrade tree. Dude, I'm surprised how many people are going with the server lux. They're crazy. Music sound. It's a trash notebook that you get from Walmart for like $1. Hi, September. What does that mean? Replication necessary for movement. In what context? There already is that on the Discord server. Suggestions. Or double roll and fast roll, not just the same thing. No, they're different. With double roll, if you use like the diamond roll or golden roll, like both of them are diamond or golden. Or if you use a jackpot dice or whatever, both of them will roll a jackpot. Fast roll just will cut that roll speed in half of whatever. I may need to end the stream though, because I think I need to just figure this out off stream, and debugging kind of isn't that fun, so. But I just wanted to go live and tell everyone to go play the game, basically. I'll probably run ads soon-ish. And yeah. So. Yeah, blue shell. Alright. I'll catch you guys later. New stream code? Okay. I'll make a code. How about that? I used to always do these. What should the code be? Freeman time. Reward. What should the reward be? Reward should be ultra or boost, and I'll do a ultra luck active true, and uses, give it 200. Okay, there you go. There's your code. It might take like a minute or two for your server to update, but okay. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.